Why the fuck your knuckles crack? Inside your joints is synovial fluid, basically your bone's own slippery lube, full of gases like CO2, just waiting to burst like you hugging your grandma after 6 tequila shots. When you stretch or bend your fingers, you yank the joint apart like you're pulling open a tight ass, creating negative pressure that sucks gas into little bubbles. And then, pop. Like a tiny joint orgasm. That crack you hear isn't damage. It's your joints busting out a stress nut and saying, thanks, I needed that. Follow Dr. Curses to learn more about the fucking human body.